There is a motion to declare De Jesus complaint as sufficient in form as raised by the Honorable Amben Amante. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection?
I object, Madam Chair. I did not properly hear the explanation on the sufficiency in form. And that is what I would like to hear. And because of this, I object.
Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. With 46 votes in favor, 1 vote against, and 1 abstain, the chair declares the De Jesus complaint as sufficient in form. There is a motion to declare Masa et al. Complaint sufficient in form.
Point of order.
The same has been objected to. So we shall now divide the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. With 35 in favor, 9 against, and 1 abstain, the chair declares the Masa et al. Complaint sufficient in form.